A quick guide on flashing your ESP32 board from your flipper. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that your GPIO board is fully seated in the flipper. You should see no pins sticking out, and it should be basically flush against the flipper. Once you've ensured that, then you'll want to go into your menu on your flipper. You'll want to go down to the GPIO menu. Make sure at this step, before you proceed further, that QFlipper is totally closed out. Any applications that would use the flipper are also closed. Disconnect your flipper from your PC. From there, you can hit the center button once, and it will activate USB-UART bridge mode. For our next step, we're going to go up here in the buttons. You'll want to hold the boot button, then quickly tap the reset button while holding the boot button. Click. This should put it in flashing mode. Now we can let off the boot button. And now we're ready to proceed to the next steps. Now that we've done the earlier step for setting your flipper up, you should now have your flipper on the USB-UART bridge mode, as well as your ESP32 board set to flashing mode from the button combo earlier. Go ahead and hook your flipper to your PC using the USB cable. Once you've done that, we'll navigate to the FCE Flasher, which is going to be at fzeeflasher.com. The site should look like this. Go ahead on this site, if you haven't already, and go to the How To tab. You'll also need to get the driver from Silicon Labs here and go ahead and just install that. Once you've installed that, you can come back to the FCE Flasher and you're ready to connect. Go ahead and hit the connect button. You'll look for your flipper device on here. Go ahead and hit connect. Wait a moment. It should auto detect your board and connect to it. From here, you'll need to select your board. If you have the official Wi-Fi dev board, you can choose the item under Flipper Devices, your Flipper Dev board. If you do not, and you're building your own board, or you got a third-party board, then you'll need to match it up with one of these. If you have an ESP32 S2 board, then you'll choose S2. If you have S3, choose S3, or any of the other ones that apply for your situations. In my case, I'm using the Flipper Dev board. Go ahead and choose under Firmware. If you're focused on trying to debug a Flipper application, you'll choose Blackmagic. If you're wanting to do Wi-Fi pen testing, then you'll choose Marauder. As Marauder is a popular choice, we'll choose that. Go ahead and choose Latest for the version. And then we'll go ahead and hit Program. This will take a moment to flash. Once completed, it should have no errors, and it should say flashing process completed. Restart the board or disconnect to use the device. So what we'll do here is on your physical board attached to the flipper, simply tap the reset button once. Click. Now your board should be ready to go to use with the Marauder app. Hope this video helped, and thank you for your time.